Hello guys, welcome back once again to NettPortal. I'm Alvin. In the last episode, I showed you guys how to add a MikroTik router to our platform. But now the good news is NettPortal now supports a Ruijie Gateway. That means if you are running this ISP business with a Ruijie router or a Ruijie Gateway or a Ruijie ecosystem, you can now monitor, sell, and do all the stuff you can do on MikroTik. You can also do it on the Ruijie router as well. So without wasting much time, let me show you how to do it. So to add a Ruijie router, you go to networks, then you go to routers. So now, as you can see, this is the MikroTik router I added in the other video, but it's offline now because we are not using it today. And so I'll show you how to add the Ruijie router. So now we've even added how it works so that you can go to the documentation and read everything you want to know about our system. Because our system runs on a radio server, we only support the Ruijie devices, Ruijie gateways that also works on a radio server. Because some Ruijies does not support the external radio server. It's only it can only be done on the Ruijie cloud. So to get this done, you need a Ruijie, the RGEG series, right? Yes. So for the purpose of this video, I got myself this Ruijie. So let me show you guys. Okay, so as you can see, I have my Ruijie Gateway, or we can call it the router. So this is the RGEG105G series, right? You can see it right here. Yes, so we support that very well. And yes, this is pretty much how it is. So you can get a higher one or something, and also you will need to get an access point, right? An AP. So I always work with the 6262G. That doesn't mean you should also be working with this, right? It's choice. So you can choose the one you want, right? So yes, so let's get back to the video. All right, nice. So now that I have my Ruijie and my AP set up, I'm assuming you know how to set all this, or you know how to link these devices to your Ruijie cloud, because you need to add the gateway and the APs to the Ruijie cloud before you can come and hook it to NettPortal. So that's it. Okay, so before we get started, I have to let you know this. So Ruijie does not work like MikroTik. MikroTik is very open. When you buy your router, you can just do whatever you want. But Ruijie is a kind of enclosed system, right? You need a special API and a secret from them, right? An app secret from them. So this is how to do it. So you have to first link your Ruijie router to NettPortal, right? So to get that, you need the secret, right? So you come to settings here, and you come to Ruijie cloud here, and then you can enable it, right? So when you enable it, it will give you an instructions, right? So you have to connect your AP and secret from Ruijie ISP, right? To get this, the instructions are here, but to get this, I have my Ruijie cloud open, right? So to get this API and secret, you hover on this logo, then you come to switch between clouds like this, then you select the ISP cloud. So when you select the ISP clouds, then you come to API authorization here, right? So you don't click on anything here because you don't know you don't know anything. So you click on the API authorizations, and then you will not see this. I'm only seeing this because I have already done mine, right? So you enter we've given you what to even enter if you want, right? So the instructions are here. So you enter the NettPortal, the organization name, and the link. This is the purpose. You can copy this and send it to the purpose, right? Yes. So after that, you click on save, and you get this. You get this, the app ID and the this thing. So you click on this one, copy, and then you come and put it here. So the arrow, you leave it like that, unless it's not on Europe. So you copy the secret as well. You see, we have copy, and then you can put here. So you see, we are on the Europe, right? The Europe, sorry, we are on the Europe. So you leave it. So if you are not in the Europe and you are on the Asia cloud, you can just switch, right? So that's it. And then you save and connect. So you can see that my Ruijie is connected. So this is how to connect your NettPortal account to your Ruijie Cloud, right? So after that, you come and add the router as it's supposed to be done. Okay, so after hooking your Ruijie Gateway, your Ruijie Cloud to NettPortal, the next thing you have to do is to click on the Add Router. So you can see now we have MikroTik and we have Ruijie, a very good interface, clean. You click on the Ruijie one, and then you can see, you only see this because you've already connected. So if you have not connected your Ruijie Cloud to NettPortal, it will give you the instructions and how to get it done, right? So let's set a name for the Ruijie account. I'm sorry, for the Ruijie. So this is home Ruijie, home Ruijie, right? So mind you, this is not going to be your SSID, like this is not going to be your Wi-Fi name. This is only going to be an identifier on the NettPortal. So to get your SSID or your Wi-Fi name, that has to be set on the Ruijie Cloud, and I hope you know how to do that. And also you have to leave the security to open. You don't have to put a password on your Ruijie router, the gateway on Ruijie Cloud. So you click on next, and then you select the Ruijie, right? So let me select. So you select the Ruijie, the project you created with the gateway. You select there was this one, and then you can see we have the Ruijie, the gateway devices will show here. The gateway devices you want to add will show here. So you click on next, and then you can see everything will be done for you. You just have to click on the link gateway, right? So you wait for it to finish, and then boom, you click on the here, right? So now you can see it's done. So the Ruijie router is done, have been added to NettPortal. You can now come to the captive portal to set your captive portal. You can come to the hotspot here, hotspot setup here. You can repush, or since everything is done, you don't even have to repush again. You come to the captive portal and then you set your captive portal. So let's do a little bit settings. I always go with the this one, and then you can just come to the settings here, turn on the buy, and then you click on the code only to use only one code. Yes, if you want to use password and voucher, you can just click on this one, but you turn it on to use only one code, right? Yes, so this is how it works. This is basically how you click on the save template, right? For now, for the Ruijie, you wouldn't have to push to the router, right? So you don't see any push to router button here. You just have to save template, and then it would be saved to the Ruijie. So this is how to add Ruijie router to your NettPortal dashboard. So thanks for watching this video. As always, I'm Alvin from NettPortal. If you are new to this video, NettPortal is an ISP management system and a billing system which helps you connect, helps you receive payments and manage your NettPortal, your ISP users, right? So you are selling a Wi-Fi business, you need an ISP billing system, which is NettPortal. It has a lot of functions for PPPoE. We've added a lot of functions actually. We also have added an AI networking agent, very good at configuring and all that stuff for you, right? So we are going to talk about that in the other videos. So this is all I have for you today, and thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe to get notification of all our new videos. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. You can like this video and then share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you and bye.